So starting off, I already have a clean face with a little bit of primer on, and this will just help to set your makeup so you don't have to put any setting spray on. And the first thing I'm going to do is fill in my brows with the NYX brow powder in dark brown, and I'll be filling in my entire brow because you'll want it to look like a puzzle piece rather than the nice ombre effect. Then I'll be taking a white eyeliner and drawing the lines like you see on this face chart. To get the best straight line, I recommend using something with a straight edge like a brush or an eyeliner pencil. And once all the lines are drawn, I'm going to follow the same base chart. It's just filled in. And I'm going to start with the first shade. It's an E.L.F. concealer and highlight. And I just mix those together to make a really light color. And to apply this, I'm using a concealer brush so I can get into the smaller sections. For the second shade, I'll be using the Mary Kay Luminous Foundation in Ivory 3. This has a yellow undertone, so it will stand out from the concealer that has a pink undertone. And for the fourth shade, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me in 130. And you're probably wondering why I skipped the third one. That's because my skin tone is between the second and the fourth. So it's easier to not use excess foundation, and the primer allows for my skin to still be glowy. And here I just went ahead and filled in the rest of the gaps off camera. After all the areas are filled in, take a shimmery brown eyeshadow and fill in the space right above the eyes. I'm just using an E.L.F. shadow. It doesn't really have a specific shade, but it's kind of a pinky shimmery brown. The last thing for the eyes is curling and mascara application. I recommend a black mascara and even falsies if you want to. For the lips, I'm going to use Tarte Birthday Suit on the top and bottom to get an even coverage. Then on the bottom, I'll be using Burt's Bees blush lipstick to give it a little bit more sheen. And then for the blush, I'll be using Milani Romantic Rose. And I'll just lightly dust that on the cheeks. And last but not least, I'm taking a silver eyeliner and cream eyeshadow to trace over the white lines to make it look more like stained glass soldering, which is a silver or black you typically see between two glass pieces. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a magical day.